Hello and welcome to another episode of For Knowledge. Okay. In this session, we are going to discuss how to calculate the limit of the form 1 to the power infinity. Okay. So, what does this mean 1 to the power infinity? Suppose you are given a problem limit x tends to a fx to the power gx. Fine. Now, if you evaluate the limit of f at x equal to a, then you are getting 1. And if you evaluate the limit x tends to a gx, you are getting infinity. Okay. So what does it mean? It means if you put the limiting value, then it will be of the form 1 to the power infinity. Surely you do not know how to solve the problem. You do not know how to solve the problem because this is a new type to it. Okay. So I am going to teach you how to solve this type of problem. I am going to explain the method first and then I will give you the shortcut. So do not skip any part of the video, watch it thoroughly. Now look, what do we know about the limit where there is some kind of exponents present? We know two things. That is, one is limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x to the power 1 by x. We know this one. This value is e. And we know another one. Limit x tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 upon x whole to the power x is e. Both of them are e. Okay. So now the question, how to implement this thing in this type of problem? That is the question. Okay. So keep them in mind, we'll apply them. Fine. I'm erasing it. This part I'm erasing it. Now, if we have to apply these forms that I've written it a little ago, then we have to bring 1 here, 1 plus. Now, in order to move this 1, we have to subtract also. Okay. So 1 plus fx minus 1 into, now there was 1 by x. There was 1 by x. Now this x, there should be a 1 by x. So this is our x. There should be 1 by fx minus 1. Fine. Now already in the exponent there was a gx. There was a gx. So this gx will be as it is, and in order to balance this 1 by f of x minus 1, we have to multiply f of x minus 1. Okay. So why are we doing this? Because we have to bring this type. We have to bring this form. Okay. So look, this fx minus 1 is present in the denominator of the exponent. Fine. So now, what does this entire thing mean? What does this entire thing mean? As per this formula, this is e. As per this formula, this is e. So this becomes e to the power, the entire thing becomes e to the power limit x tends to a gx into fx minus 1. Okay. Gx into fx minus 1. So if we can evaluate this form only, evaluate the limit for this function only, with this e is present, we can evaluate the value. Okay. Very simple. This is the shortcut technique. This is the shortcut technique for this type of form. So what is the shortcut technique? This limit x tends to a fx to the power gx. If this is 1 to the power infinity form, we'll write this as limit x tends to a fx minus 1 into gx. This is the shortcut for this type of problem. Okay. Now we are going to apply this in a previous year JEEMains paper. Fine. You understand the problem? Understand the concept? How we are dealing with it? Even if you do not understand, doesn't matter. Just remember this, and you will be getting a 4 marks in JEEMains. So if this is clear, I am keeping this formula. I am going to solve a problem. Fine. So the problem says limit x tends to 0 3x square plus 2 by 7x square plus 2 whole to the power 1 by x square equal to, there are 4 options, 1 by e square, e square, e, 1 upon e. We have to solve the problem. Now first, is this 1 to the power infinity form? Yes, because just put the value x is equal to 0 in the base and the exponent. Now if we put x equal to 0 in the base, 3 into 0 plus 2 by 7 into 0 plus 2, this is nothing but 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. So the base is 1 and exponent 1 by 0, that is infinity. Okay, that is infinity. So clearly this is a 1 to the power infinity form problem. Okay, so we have to apply this formula once we see this type of problem. So apply this. This is nothing but e to the power limit x tends to 0. What is gx? 1 by x square into what is fx? Fx means 3x square plus 2 by 7x square plus 2. 3x square plus 2 by 7x square plus 2 minus 1. Now we have to simplify this. So this is equal to e to the power limit x tends to 0. This is 1 by x square. So 3x square plus 2 minus 7x square minus 2 whole divided by 7x square plus 2. Just subtraction of fraction. 3x square plus 2 minus 7x square minus 2 by 7x square plus 2. So now this 2 will get cancelled. So in the numerator this is minus 4x square. So e to the power limit x tends to 0 minus 4x square 1 upon x square into minus 4x square by 7x square plus 2. Now these 2 will get cancelled out. Okay. Now look, if we put the x 0 in the denominator, this becomes 2, because 7x square plus 2, if we put x 0 here, this becomes 2. So this is nothing but e to the power minus 4 upon 2, that is e to the power minus 2. This is nothing but 1 upon e square. Option 1 is correct. Look how simple the problem is once you know the short trick. How simple the problem is. Now I am going to give you assignment in this type of problem. I am just erasing the part and I am going to give you 2 problems. You solve the problem and let me know what is the answer in the comment. these are the two problems. Number one, limit x tends to infinity, x plus 2 by x plus 1 all to the power x plus 3. And number 2, limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x to the power cosec x. These two I want you to solve. Okay? So, I hope you understand the concept, you understood the short trick. Just apply it once you encounter this type. Okay? So, if you like the video, please let us know, comment and subscribe our channel, and we'll be updating more videos for you for the coming engineering entrance exams. Hope you have a good day and thank you for staying with us.